What is up, guys? Brady with Mini Tech Clips, and today I'm back with another video, and I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now, this is the new version of the Galaxy Watch Active. They came out with the regular Galaxy Watch Active last year, but it just lacked features and had a really big, ugly bezel, so not many people got it. So Samsung went back to the drawing board, came out with this shit, and here we are. So some cool things this watch can do is you can pair it to your phone, obviously, and you can actually take phone calls. It has a built-in microphone, so you can answer and end phone calls and talk with people without ever having to take your phone out of your pocket. If someone calls you, just like an Apple Watch, you can compose and send text messages. So, you can be like, "Oh, hey Bixby, text Dad, tell him I'll be home in 10 minutes." You can do that, so that's pretty cool. Like I just mentioned, Bixby voice assistant. It also has a built-in speaker, for phone calls, microphone, all that good stuff. It has Find My Phone, so if you do end up losing your phone, you can use your watch to find it, and also vice versa, you can use your phone to find your watch. It also has wireless charging, so inside the box, there's going to be a little wireless charging cradle, like every smartwatch. But one thing that's cool with the Galaxy Watch Active 2 is you can plop it on any wireless charging stand. So pretend that this coaster was a wireless charger. Oh, that's nasty. Pretend that this coaster was a wireless charger. You could literally just set the watch on it and it would charge like any other thing. If I set my phone on the wireless charger, it would charge as well. So it's really versatile. And if you have a S10 series phone or, newer, you can do the reverse wireless charging. So you can set your phone down, put the watch on it, and it'll charge. All right, without any more talking, let's get into it. So, of course, you have tape. So let's put our big ass knife away and open her up. So here is the watch. Let me get some. Here's the watch itself. Boom. So I'm just going to set that down right there on the side. And inside, I guess all the accessories are in the middle here. But inside the middle, this is going to be just your charging cradle. So you plug the USB in and it will charge, obviously, like it should. And there's a magnet. So here's the Galaxy Watch. Looks beautiful. And over here, you have your back button. This is just going to act as pretty much your back button. And right here, you have the power button. So let's turn it on. Galaxy Watch Active 2. And one thing I forgot to mention was it has a touch-sensitive bezel. So on the standard Galaxy Watch, there's like a physical like bezel that you would rotate. But since this is all screen, it's an all-screen design, all you do is you just kind of use your finger and you push down and it gives you haptic feedback and it rotates like a physical bezel, except it's not physical, it's just haptic feedback. So my Galaxy Watch has turned on and my phone has detected it. So I'm just going to click Add Now, and it's going to pair up to my phone. So connect. You guys are seeing this in real time. It's going really quick. Tap to connect. Boom. Check your phone settings. App to install. Okay, so I'm just going to let this sit down for a minute. Looks like it's going pretty quick. So maybe I could just, wait it out. All right. 93%. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Anytime now. All right. Hundo, where you at? Oh my God. All right, bet. So it's finishing pairing. Again, just going to give it a minute. All right, so it says watch paired. And here's just terms and conditions. Obviously, we're going to agree to that. Well, actually, hold up. Let me disagree. Yeah, shut up. All right, click OK. Select all. So check out the following options. So it's just going to say voice service, find my watch and phone, mapping technologies, blah, 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 next. Restore from backups. I'm going to skip this. because I don't have a previous watch. And you're all set. So now it's just going to give us a tutorial of the watch. So swipe left to see your widgets. So here's all of your watch faces. Swipe left to go back, or swipe right to go back. Here's our notifications back here. Here's the back key, like I said. It's just going to give you a nice tutorial. Press the home key. And these are all of your configurable apps. So, and yes, you can download new apps. So, say Twitter comes out for the Galaxy Watch, you could easily download that. Notification panel. Boom, here you are. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Like that. Try again. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Oh, sick. That's kind of lit. All right, good to go. All right. Dot means you have a notification, so I assume yellow is probably a Snapchat. Turn the bezel to see your notification. So here's the rotating bezel that I was talking about. So literally I'm just moving my finger and it's rotating as if I had a physical bezel, which is pretty sweet. So I was just swiping through my stuff, and I guess I have to allow permission for weather for my location, I assume. Yeah, don't repeat that. The watch seems very fast, very snappy. Nothing's lagging or anything. Just seems very, very responsive. All right. Yep, I live in Blaine. Cool. So that's kind of it. Heart rate. Let's go through some of the apps real quick. So if you go here, here's all the apps, recent apps. So I can text. So if I send maybe my brother a text or something, he'll get it. So maybe I can add recipient. Okay, so here's like your keyboard. It's like an old time watch, or an old time phone where there's like 3 letters per key. So I'm just gonna, no, I don't need that keyboard. So here it comes up automatically, Brother Ben. So I'm just gonna click that and hit next. And then I can do automated response, or I can do my own. So I'm just gonna do my own. I don't want to send my location. Let's do, all right, I got it here. So we can draw a message. So I'll be like, hi. And it came up as a period. So it says hi, and I'm just going to send it to him. And I'm actually videoing with his phone, so I can't really reply to it, but I assure you the message just popped up on the phone. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, I can't reply because I'm literally taking a video with his phone. But I'm just scrolling, and there's all kinds of automated responses. You can edit the quick responses. I can doodle, blah, blah, blah. So there's just a lot of things you can do with this watch, which I think is pretty cool. Here's the store, so we can open the Samsung store. Don't repeat, permission. And scroll to the bottom. I've read everything. So here's the essentials. So there's like a calculator you can download. Here's the internet. I'll just go ahead and download a calculator for the sake of the video. So I'm just going to install it. And it should be going pretty quick. So the calculator app is installing. That literally took 4 or 5 seconds. And now I think we can go, it should be in the apps. So go over here, and here's your calculator that you just downloaded. So we'll do 69 times 69. What does that equal? 4,761. So the calculator does work. So we can exit out of that, and boom, we're cooking up. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, here's a timer. That's fucking lit. All right. Peace, guys.